Do you want the greatest live chat software for your website? Well, keep on watching then. Customers anticipate prompt responses to their inquiries, and any doubts they may have about their purchase might cost you a transaction. In actuality, more than 67% of online buyers leave their carts empty without finishing the transaction. 73% of clients who utilize live chat are satisfied with the service, according to eConsultancy. Only 44% of consumers say they are satisfied with the service they received by phone, email, or social media. Okay, so here are the 10 best live chat software to install in your website. Number 1, tawk.to. Price. It's absolutely free. Number 2, LiveChat. Price. Their monthly starting prices are $19 for monthly payments or $16 for yearly billing per agent. A 14-day free trial is offered for each package. Number 3, Tidio. Price. The restricted free package offered by Tidio enables 2 operators but excludes some of the most sophisticated live chat capabilities. Paid packages begin at $19. Number 4, Chatbot. Price. Chatbot offers a range of options for companies of all sizes. You get 1,000 talks every month with their entry-level services, which start at $42 per month when paid annually. A 14-day free trial is offered for each package. Number 5, Sendinblue. Price. Although Sendinblue offers a few different pricing tiers, their free plan includes live chat for one user. A premium package, which starts at $65 per month, is required if you want Sendinblue for numerous users. Number 6, Olark. Price. Olark has many pricing plans, with the first one starting at $29 per agent each month. They also provide a free trial of live chat help for 2 weeks. Number 7, HubSpot. Price. HubSpot chatbots are available for free integration on your website. However, you'll need to switch to a premium subscription if you want to use other tools like HubSpot's drag and drop homepage builder. Prices begin at $45 per month. Number 8, SmartSip. Price. A simple, free forever subscription is available from SmartSip that provides live chat with one representative. For 3 agents, their paid plans begin at $19.50 per month. A 14-day free trial is also available. Number 9, Chiport. Price. Chiport provides a cost-free package. If you desire more sophisticated capabilities, the premium packages start at $15 per agent per month if billed annually. Number 10, Freshdesk Messaging. Price. A restricted free plan for up to 100 agents is available from Freshdesk Messaging. However, free bot sessions are not included. Up to 5,000 free bot sessions per month are included in their subscription plans, which start at $15 per operator per month if paid annually. So, these were the 10 best live chat software that you can install in your website. We hope that this video has assisted you in selecting the finest live chat software for your website. Thanks for watching our video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel.